What's up, wrenchers? Welcome back to Monkey Wrenching. I'm Monkey Mike, your host. Thanks for being here. Got the Miata off the jack stands, off the blocks, on the ground, rough string alignment, and now she's ready to go. I have already done the first startup. I'll play a little clip for you right now. Sorry, I don't have a whole lot from that. We did a live stream of it, and it was just kind of crazy because the first startup was extremely nerve-wracking for me. I had one of the lifters that didn't get oil to it right away, so the ticking kind of scared the crap out of me, and, well, you know, what are you going to do? So, what I have for you today is I'm going to take it around the block for the first time. We're going to test everything out, and as long as it performs good, maybe we'll go for an actual drive. I do have toe plates on the way because I'm a little bit worried about the alignment. String alignment does well, but it can have its inaccuracies depending on the way that everything is set up. And since I have added spacers and I have changed quite a few other things, I may not drive it too terribly far, but it just really depends. It's only about 60 miles or so, so we may just run it out today. If it feels good while I'm out, then we're good to go. I may need to bring it back in, confirm the string alignment again, which usually that's why I just like run around the block, come back in, set jack stands back up, put the string back out, check it and make sure if everything checks out. Usually I'll go out for a big drive. Sometimes you get lucky first shot, you get out, feels good, just go. You know, it's a race car. We're not putting 20, 30,000 miles on it. We're not driving it every day. All right, y'all, want to go for a little ride along? Let's go see how she performs. This thing is amazing. It is so responsive. I don't even know what to say right now. I am thoroughly impressed with myself. Not only did my alignment job work really well, I mean, yeah, hands off the wheels, it's just doing it. It goes wherever the road wants to go, that's for sure. Manual steering for the win. But oh my God, it sounds so amazing. This is so cool. The 6-speed, any Miata owner, you gotta get a 6-speed. Definitely. Oh no, oh no. Definitely need to play with the tune. But everything, oh, I forgot, I don't have oil in the shifter. Alright, we won't go very far and I won't do a whole lot of aggressive shifting. There's grease in there. There's lots of grease. But there's no oil, so we need to take it back home. This was just to see how it would act anyway. But man. And I don't know what people are complaining about the stage 4 unsprung clutch. It feels fine to me. I have zero complaints about it at all. The front brakes do sound kind of funny, so maybe I need to check and make sure that I didn't leave something touching, or maybe it's just from taking the pads on and off. The calipers haven't really seated yet. I did change how the pads were orientated, so. But yeah, I mean, idling great. Coming through. Jesus. You hear that? That sound is amazing. Oh my God, I don't think I'll ever get enough of that. just so you guys can see, I got the shifter out. It's all greased up. All right, so I didn't want you guys to think it was dry. I'm going to fill the shifter turret now and then get it all put back together. It's really simple, so I'm not going to film it. And then we'll jump back out because it actually felt really good, and I want to drive it a little bit more. I barely even hit into any boost. This setup is so much more potent than it was before. I'm really excited to share this with you guys too. I know I've kind of been off on TikTok and doing that stuff, and I apologize to anyone who was patiently waiting. This one is just for you guys. They're gonna have to come over here to see this. So anyone who's here from TikTok, thank you so much. I appreciate your support on both platforms. Yeah, let me get this in, and I don't know, I'm kind of shocked and flabbergasted, just trying to take it all in. It performs at a level that I did not expect. I'm just shocked. All right, well, upon a little bit of research, I found out when looking for the fluid capacity of this transmission in the turret, there's no fluid needed for the 6-speed in the shifter turret. That's only the 5-speed. Apparently this one has no splish splash. I think I've said that like 10 times now. It has enough fluid splashing around that it gets up to the shifter turret, apparently. So they just say to grease it good enough and everything will be good. The shifter rod itself is lubricated on its own. So we just go from there. I know trans is cold, so we have to warm that fluid up, but I say we turn her back on and go for another drive, yeah? Me too. Well, we're running out of fuel. I forgot about that part. So we're gonna go ahead and go get fuel, which is gonna be scary because I'm immediately gonna take it at 75 miles an hour. Okay, well that was both cold and terrifying. I'm gonna see if I can get the roof up, because boom, no thanks. And also, the reason it was terrifying, let me get up front and show you. The wind is basically just trying to rip the entire front end of the car up. It definitely needs the bumper. Thankfully, everything's nice and tight, but that's scary. All right, I'm gonna try to get the top up. Oh, scared, driving away. Weak. I was hoping to have a canyon buddy. Now let me show you why you need a canyon buddy. Look at this beautiful little swoop-de-doo. Breaking it all in. Don't want to start drifting. I mean, I do, but I should not drift on the first time out. Brand new clutch, brand new everything. It's almost everything is new. Woo, that took a lot of self-control. I was tapping on it too. I was like, come on, come on, come on. All I had to do was just push in the clutch a little, just kick it. That would have been it. Hell, I could have just laid into the throttle. More than enough power. Woo. Top of the world. Like a pretty girl, but my hair in the wind. Well, how's that for your pops and bangs? That was awesome. Pull it in. I want to show you guys. It's got great intake temps right now. Obviously, it's cold outside, but that's fantastic. Whew, and there it was. Spin that turbo up a little bit and then we'll shut it down. Ooh, listen to it. Listen to it spin.